Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, power sliding sunroof, sprayed bed liners, Z71 package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom. Equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory with the chrome accent. You're also going to have these black running boards here as well. Onto the interior, these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. Left side, you're going to have your trailer brake controller, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. After the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, all that fun stuff, as well as you can access audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and other settings as well. So you're gonna have the classic key, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward. You got your projection, so wired, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, OnStar, as well as navigation, and a CD player as well. Got the dual zone climate control. Below that with your power adjustable pedals, park assist, and lane keep assist, as well as hill descent control. You're gonna have 2 USB as well as 2 12 volts, as well as an AC wall charger. Lots of extra storage, and in the center console, more of those USB and storage as well. Passenger side, like I said, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated, goes all the way across. You're gonna have the double glove box, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, as well as sunglass case holder and your power sliding sunroof. You're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Duratrack tires. You're gonna have the chrome mirror caps and door handles as well. Z71 badging, as well as the paint match corner step bumper with the trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. It's the exhaust. And you're gonna have bed tie downs with the sprayed bed liner. It's a very spacious room. And moving on to the rear interior, more of that paneling and storage, the built-in cup holder, the power windows. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear 12 volt and some extra storage. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. More storage under the seats with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats, navigation, Goodyear Duratrack tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.